Okay, blend. What wig? I don't see no wig here. This is my hair, y'all. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on a kinky straight UPart wig. This is from Yolissa hair. Here is the inside of the cap. It has the clip-in, snap-in-place kind of combs all around the perimeter. And then it also has adjustable straps within it as well. So I started out with this already pre-flat ironed U-shaped area of my hair ready to go for leave out. In the back of my hair, I just put mine into a ponytail. The rest of my hair is blow dried, so it was pretty easy to just stick it in a ponytail and the wig will still lay flat on my head. If you want to do braids, you totally can. It's really just up to you. I just think this is way easier. So putting on the U part, you can see here, this was actually, like, the shape was right on point. Like, the wig just fit perfectly that way. You can look at it right now. But here's the thing. My hair is super thick. So the leave out that I had was a little too much. And it made it, like, not blend as well with the U part. Like, it made the line of demarcation of where my hair was and the U part wig, it made it too visible. So I started sectioning out more of the leave out that I originally was going to use. Now, I don't think that's something you need to worry about if your hair isn't super thick, but that is something to watch out for if you do have extremely thick hair, is how much leave out you have when you use a U-part wig, because sometimes if you use too much, it makes it too visible. You want just enough to cover the tracks, but not too much to where, you can see where your hair is and the wig isn't. This is how much hair I ended up leaving out, and then the rest I just put back into another ponytail holder. When I redid the parting space, I made sure to still have it going in like a curved direction for the parting so it could follow the curve of the U-part wig. So you can see here, even though I have less hair out, it's still laying flat around my parting area. Now, when it comes to these snap-in, clip-in kind of combs, you want to make sure that you're pretty gentle with your own hair when you're securing them, because yes, they are sturdy, but yes, it's easy to snag your hair in them. So just be careful when you're doing that. I also chose not to leave any edges out, if you notice that. And that's just because for me, I just prefer it without my edges out. You can absolutely do that if you want to. You just part out a line of hair in the front of your perimeter. But I always feel like I get a better blend when I don't leave hair out in the front. Once you have secured the wig down, then you want to make sure that you cover the whole track area with your hair. I left just enough hair out to make that work. Look at it. It's already blending and we're not even done yet. Like, it's just really coming together already. But I noticed my hair had more of a sheen to it than the wig hair did. So I went in with my Elastic QP hairspray. It's not a holding spray. It's a regular like oil sheen kind of hairspray. And I'm putting that on the hair so the luster will match up. So this wig is 180% density. It seems like it's like 200% density, but it's a nice little 180. I flat ironed this off camera, but I accidentally deleted the footage. So here you see me going over it again because I wanted that hair to match up with my hair texture just a little bit more in the front. This hair is super easy to flat iron. It takes the heat really well. I'm using the Babyliss flat iron and it's just gliding through this hair, y'all. But I like it because it's not too straight. It's still giving me some texture in it, but it's really matching up to the texture of my hair. Okay, blend. What wig? I don't see no wig here. This is my hair, y'all. I did take my flat iron through the other side of the hair as well. I was only concentrating on the sides where I was really like seeing like, okay, the blend is here, but it could be even better. Like, this wig has so much potential to just blend like nobody's business. Y'all already saw, so I was still working on that. And then I also took my edge control on my edges just to neaten them up. Originally, I thought I was going to do some baby hair swoops or something in the front, but I ultimately decided on just pushing it back. Sometimes for me, like, you see me messing with my widow's peak here, I might do a little curve in the part there, and that is because that's where my hairline is just a little uneven. It's like a slight off-centered widow's peak, and listen, it just gives me so much trouble sometimes. But ultimately, I decided to just go ahead and push that back too, instead of even doing the swoop that I was about to do. Now, in my deleted footage, I did do the swoop, but I don't know, second time around, I was like, okay, the swoop is unnecessary. Yes, is this even a wig, or did my hair just grow 22 inches overnight? If you're interested in this unit, details will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.